Hi guys and welcome back. What if I tell you that if you go to the search option on TikTok and just type a dot and then press search, it will make me enable to see all the videos, the watch history that I ever watched the videos on TikTok. I will see them all and I could even delete all the watch history. So if you don't believe me, watch this video till the end. So let's go to the search bar. I will type in a dot here and then you see here I just type in a dot and then I will press search. Now as you see, this option appears with your watch history. I will just tap on it. It will take some time and all the videos that I ever watched will appear here. As you can see, the list appear here. From here I can just select a random date, yesterday, last week, last month, date, range. You can even select that. But if you just want to tap on select and then tap on here right at the bottom, select watch history, you did it all, and then just press on delete, all your watch history will be deleted. But this is a good option if you watched a video but you did not save it or like it. So if you want to search for it, you can come here and search for that video if that video is important to you. So guys, this is how it works. I hope you like this video. If you do, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.